Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu once you log in. After logging in, from here you can click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings, which will then take you into the settings page. Now in order to change your audio settings, just click on Audio at the top, and now you can change your volume level for various different parameters. You can change the master volume and also manually choose your sound effects volume as well as the lobby ambiance. After choosing your desired volume level, you can change the volume for music as well and also the music for your lobby. Then finally you have the option to choose the volume level for the in-game voice. Underneath you have the playback options where you can choose your output device as well as your playback mode. You can also choose to turn on 3D enhancement if you wish, and you can choose to turn on or turn off the background audio, which will play the game sound even when the game is in the background. Below this you have the voice chat settings where you can choose your input device as well as the chat mode from push to talk or open mic. You can choose your voice chat volume as well as microphone volume, and you may choose to turn on or turn off voice chat by clicking on the toggle button. Finally, after choosing your desired volume levels for the audio, click on Combat Mix, and you can choose to modify the sound levels during your combat as well. Now just follow the same steps and choose the volume slider to match your preferred volume level, and after choosing all of your desired settings, you can go back into the main menu and start enjoying your game with your desired audio settings applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the audio settings on the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.